Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight. Today we will discuss about the custom clearance. What is custom clearance? Custom clearance is a simply act of moving goods through customs so they can easily enter the country. The minimum documents required for the custom clearance is invoice, packing list, bill of lading, certificate of origin and delivery order. We understand that the process of custom clearance is a bit complicated. We at Express Fairway Freight experience in clearing all types of shipment. Our custom clearance specialists are certified from Dubai Customs so that we can help you overcome even the most demanding concerns of trade compliances in UAE. If you have any kind of questions, please feel free to contact us. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.